Hello everyone, my name is German and I'm a photographer based in Cyprus. This is just my first YouTube video. I love film photography and I'm doing it for about a decade and I just want to share my experience with you. So today we're gonna take a closer look to one little shiny camera from Japan, and I also will share some pictures that I made on it. Okay, let's start. This is Contax G1. It is just beautiful. Made from metal, very high build quality, with such nice attention to details. Let's take a detailed look at the camera. The body has a satin titanium color. It is very compact. I think it is probably the smallest autofocus camera with interchangeable lenses. Look at this, almost half the size of the Canon autofocus film SLR. The camera features small but handy plastic grips on both the front and back of the body. It is pretty comfortable to hold in one hand. It has very nice placed controls, shutter wheel combined with exposure correction, and has a small bracketing switch. On the right side they have quite an unusual manual focus wheel. There you can set a distance of focus manually. Both wheels feature a lock button. The on and off switch also has an exposure lock position that is very useful when you shoot in auto mode. On the back there is a threaded shutter release cable connection. Near the viewfinder a diopter correction wheel. Very useful if you wear glasses. On the left side of the body there are drive mode switch, single, continuous, self-timer and multiple exposures, and also an ISO button. It also has a threaded PC sync connection for studio work and a very nice backdoor lock. Let's load some film. It's pretty easy, just put the film cassette and pull the end of the film to the marker and close the door. That's it. The camera automatically rewinds it to the first shot. The viewfinder is not so large, but it has automatic zoom for different lenses, unlike frame lines in Leica cameras. And it also has automatic parallax correction. You can see a simplified focusing distance scale display and the shutter speed. If it's blinking, then the exposure lock is in use. Contax G has 7 lenses in its system, but only 4 of them you can use on the first generation camera without modification. I own 2 of them, 45mm Planar and 90mm Sonnar, both very compact and lightweight. Lenses have an only aperture ring on them. The focus can be set only on camera. I think lenses are just one of the main advantages of the system. They delivering very high image quality, nice colors and smooth bokeh for a very reasonable price. And you can use these lenses via adapters like this on your modern digital mirrorless cameras, as I did on my Sony A7R II, and there is also an autofocus adapter too. And these adapters are pretty usable, they're small, lightweight, and autofocus adapters works nicely too, but mine was dead after 1 year of using it. Okay, let's take a look at the pictures that I made on this camera and lenses.
You're one of a kind. One of a kind.
I own this camera for more than 3 years and I only shot 10 films. Why? I think the main reason is autofocus. I just prefer manual focus experience. I just want to control focusing by my own, and that camera is not giving a convenient manual focus like the other rangefinder cameras. And yeah, autofocus is pretty reliable, it's fast, but I just want to focus manually on film cameras. That's it. That's why I decided to sell this camera, and I hope for someone this camera become a perfect setup for making film pictures.
You're one of a kind. One of a kind.